Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Bloomberg terminal. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum hardware and software requirements, typically a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 operating system with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Next, navigate to the official Bloomberg software website to download the installation package. Remember to run the installer with administrator rights to ensure a smooth and complete setup process. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer icon and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the software installation. The default installation path is usually C/BLP. After the software is installed, connect your specialized Bloomberg keyboard and any other necessary peripherals to your computer. Don't forget to install the Bloomberg Office tools, which are crucial for integrating Bloomberg data directly into Excel spreadsheets. With the software installed, double-click the green Bloomberg icon on your desktop to launch the terminal. On the login screen, select the option to create a new login. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name and a preferred login name. Bloomberg will then require you to verify your identity, typically by sending a code to your mobile phone or email address. Enter this code to proceed. After successful verification, you can create and confirm your password, ensuring it meets the specified security requirements. Now, enter your new login name and password to access the Bloomberg terminal. Once inside, you can begin exploring powerful functions like Launchpad for customizable dashboards or Instant Bloomberg for secure messaging and collaboration. The terminal offers a vast array of tools for financial analysis and market data. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy navigating the world of finance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.